Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And this episode will be shot entirely on the iPhone XS Max, just so you have an idea of the quality of the camera. So the agenda for the day will be very straightforward. We will be checking out BGC to pick up a pair of sneakers, as well as have some sneakers cleaned. Let's go. So nandito tayo sa Grand Hyatt Hotel in BGC. So this is what the lobby looks like. Lucky. Looks like somebody's having her wedding. Ang init! Grabe! Ang init! Hey guys, doon tayo pupunta. Ethan's Cash over there. So they're one of the closest sneaker cleaning shops here in BGC na madalas kong pinupuntahan. So doon muna tayo magpapalinis nung pinikap ko na pair. Hi, andito ako guys sa Ethan's Cash Sneaker Lounge. I'm here with Paul De La Fuente, one of the founders.
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken, and I'll talk to him so he can explain to you guys the business that he has. Okay Paul, game! Baka pwede mo naman kikwentuhan kung ano meron dito. Ang daming sneakers. Okay, game.
So basically, Ethan Cash Sneaker Lounge is a sneaker cleaning, restoration, and also customization shop for not only sneakerheads. What we want to do here is to cater to the regular Filipino who has, 2 to 5 sneakers. They want to go around with clean sneakers, and there's a demand for it. That's the reason why we started this business, so that we
cater to everybody within the area.
Cater to everyone. Yes. So I decided to have it customized. We're in
Corduroy
version. Parang tawag namin dyan parang D-rose, dark rose, parang ganun. So corduroy siya na material, and then with suede on the side. You can actually deconstruct and reconstruct your sneakers. Another one is this. So yan, parang ganyan. So we do reconstruction, deconstruction, reconstruction, and then we also do paint jobs. So this one naman is, I'm a big fan of Jordan 3s, if you notice. So this one naman,
it doesn't show with this.
so this one naman is South Beach inspired Jordan 3. So you see, and then we added our logo on the side. So
nice.
Sometimes maraming tao ngayon in the digital age, they have their own branding, personal branding and stuff. We can do that for you. Weddings and stuff, good din kasi a lot of guys right now pag kinakasal gusto rin naka-Jordans na and stuff like that. So, we cater to these people. We want to customize.
So may customer ka, so break muna tayo. So those who are asking what the prices are, here's their menu. So from the basic clean to the Ethan Rush na same day cleaning and all the other stuff that you guys can see. Custom designs, sneaker repair, sneaker care, all of that stuff. Woo! We dropped off the sneakers over at Ethan's Cash Sneaker Lounge. Now we're going to check out Soul Academy to pick up a pair of sneakers that I've always wanted to buy. This is the Air Force 1 Utility Black Gum. Sobrang panalo. I will get it. Let's go. Best in class. Soul Academy BGC. So tingnan natin yung bago. Ano ba to? Ano tawag dito? Air Force 270 na utility. So meron ako na review nito yung color brown. So yung first model, yung first colorway niya. So link down below to those who haven't watched it yet. They also have yung Beavis and Butthead na Adidas collaboration. So it looks really weird. So parang ang daming pagkain na nagkalat lang sa upper. So yeah. This one, magkano to, Pards? 3,300. Mura lang pala. 3,300. Ooh, not bad. They have the Beavis and Butthead na hoodie. So Adidas, and silang dalawa. Then we have the shirts. Burger World. So yeah, all of them are here, and even the jacket, like a bomber jacket type. They're all here at Soul Academy with the sneaker. Check it out. So again guys, 3,300 lang for the shoes. Puma Suede Santa Cruz. Nice. Magkano to, Part? 6,390. So So nakuha na natin guys. This is the Air Force 1 utility, yung may strap. So I'm sure you know by now that one of the best places to shop for sneakers is here at Uptown Mall in Bonifacio High Street. Kasi ang daming stores. So there's Soul Academy, there's Nike, Titan, and a bunch of other shops that you guys can check out. Guys, we're back in Hyatt Hotel where I'm actually staying for this staycation. This is actually one of the tallest buildings, if not the tallest building in BGC. So, sobrang social elevator pala, no? So, as you guys can see, they go up until the 58th floor. I think they have like until the 60th floor. I'm not sure. So, yeah. Back at the room. So, just so you have an idea of what the view is like from our floor. Man, look at that. So this is like the BGC skyline, the view from like 50 plus floors up. It is just so much wind. And yeah, I mean, it just looks so stunning to be able to wake up every day, or at least when you stay here, and have this view to greet you in the morning. Boom. Just some observations about the iPhone XS or XS Max camera. The front-facing camera, while it does capture better video quality from what I noticed, the problem is that it's a bit too narrow. It's not as wide as the iPhone 8 Plus or a lot of the Android phones that have wide-angle lenses that you guys see today. So the trade-off is smarter HDR, better image and video quality. Problem, tighter, narrower lens. So it's not as big. So as in, you really have to stretch your hand to be able to get like that better background, because it's like as if my face is already always in front of the camera with this particular setup. So if you're going to vlog with this one, I highly suggest that you guys use selfie stick or something that stretches the range between you and the iPhone. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing of what we were able to pick up. This is the Nike Air Force 1 utility in black and gum. So as you guys can see, size 12. So this is something that I've been wanting to get ever since I saw it online. So if you guys, ooh, ganda. So there you have it. This is the Air Force 1 utility with that really cool strap, that thick padded tongue, and yeah, in black and in gum colorway. And look at that swoosh, it just pops. So yeah, that's it. So guys, that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, God bless. What's up?